y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE here. Can't even tell you, I'm a little ecstatic. I'm copacetic, however you want to put the words today. We're in the shop today, and I got something going on for the truck. We don't give a lot of love to the truck. It's actually been abandoned for a couple years. We really don't use it too much, but it's a family truck, so we decided to put some money into it. I'm gonna show you what we got going on. Follow me.
Yes, sir.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. So, to give y'all understanding what's going on, man, I had some 24-inch wheels bought on my Tahoe. I bought those rims approximately 5 years ago. Those rims have been on my car. And everybody keeps on telling me that I have to go with a black rim, that you have to go to black rim, that you have to go to black rim. I kind of like the way the Tahoe look, and I'm going to let y'all be the judge, so I'll show you what she look like now, what she look like at the end. But long story short, I had a blessing happen. I had to credit one of my distributors from over the years, and we ended up using the credit, Josh. So I'm going to open up the box and show you guys what we put on the Slow Ho 5.3. No, that's not her, but you know, I want to see if you're on agreement. It's a new wheel that just came out from Lux Wheels. I've liked it since I've seen it. I wasn't really a fan of black wheels, but everybody says I have to go with black wheels. So I decided to listen to y'all. And we went with a 24-inch Lux LX06, I think they call it. So it's a 24-inch, it is hub-centric. Hub-centric, let me tell you guys what hub-centric is. When you have a wheel, or you have a tire, and you have the hub of the car, when you see the bolts, that's the bolt pattern. The hub is a piece in the middle. Whenever you have a gap between the rim and the hub, you can get vibration when the car rolls, because the only thing that's sterilizing is the bolts. This is actually hub-centric for the truck. So I'm about to get these installed, and see what y'all think about the wheel. In fact, let me show y'all a better picture of it. What do y'all think about these wheels? Josh, I'm a little older, I can't do what I used to do. That's the wheel that is going on my Tahoe right now. So right now, that's the wheel. In fact, I'm gonna go take, Josh, can you bring it for me? I know we're gonna do something crazy real quick. I'm gonna go show y'all the Tahoe, what it look like now, and what it's gonna look like. Give me the key to the Tahoe. So, let's go see what this is gonna be like. Gordo, what do you think, Gordo? Love it. In fact, you know what? Let me bring the Tahoe here. Just Josh, let me bring the Tahoe here. Pause this video, I'll be right back. Bring my key in my Tahoe. My Tahoe, that's the wheel I have on it. It's a Lux also. It's the also Lux wheel. It's been out for 5 years. It's done good to me, but I got a little vibration because I actually bent one day. This is what they suggested. Although everybody says to do it, I'm not a fan of black rims, but we're about to find out what it looks like. Bring it over here, let's see what it looks like and see if we're gonna like the look. What do you think, guys? What are you thinking? Let's see. So, what do y'all think? In fact, here, hold it right here, go with him. Let me take a look at it before I even mount. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think, Isaac? Let me see. Let me vlog you here. Come on, get on the camera, boy. Stop being scared. He's back from his little trip too, guys. But what do you think, guys?
I love it.
You like it, Josh? You like it, Gordo? You like it, Isaac? You've been telling me to go with black rims. So they say once you go black, you don't go back. We're about to find out. I am about to get these installed in the Tahoe, and we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop right now, about to get the Tahoe working and get it situated. As you can see right now, we're gonna have this bad boy here getting her rim put on, man. I can't wait to see what the result's gonna be like at the end of it, to see if we like it or if we don't. It's, I don't know, man, I'm not a fan of black rims, I'm not gonna lie. But the guys keep on telling me to do it, so I brought it to the shop to get it done. We'll give you guys a review in a few minutes.
All this stuff
right here, because look at her right here in the tire shop, guys. She's about to get herself done. And she shall be installed in a few minutes, guys, so I'll keep y'all posted. Sorry, Cruise Crew, we got this going on right now. They're actually installing the tires on the car. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek so you can see what's going on with her. I'm kind of wondering what it could look like. I'm not really a fan of black rims, man, on a luxury car, but we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all a preview so y'all can tell me what y'all think. So this is what it's looking like right now. Hold on. That's her, y'all. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm about to give a look for it as they keep on building it to see if I like it and figure out what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so I just got my Tahoe back right now. I'm about to drive, make sure I like the way it feels, make sure that everything is balanced properly, man, but it was a long time coming. I'm still not debating about the black of the chrome, man, because I don't really know if I like the black on this truck. I liked those chrome wheels I put on a while back. Chrome is kind of going away, but at the same time, I kind of think it looked classic. I'm a 42-year-old, but I kind of like the clean look, like you know, you put something on the car, but it still looks original. This is my family travel truck. Been with me for a while. She's an LTZ. She's got every option you could think about. She's got TVs on it from factory. She's got the factory hideaway pocket that you can see down here. I mean, she is fully loaded with every option you could think about. And I've had this truck since brand new. So I just want to make sure that I keep it running properly, man. But she's been really great to me. She's got the bucket seats in the back. I mean, she's really my baby truck, right? But long story short, I put these rims on because one of the rims was giving me a little vibration, and it's kind of annoying to be driving a car with your family, have a little vibration. So I just got these rims done. I'm about to test drive it, see if I like it, man, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final result. You guys comment below. You guys tell me if the chrome was better or if the black is better. You guys tell me what looks better. Come back in a few minutes. So cruise crew, that's what she ended up looking like after the whole set and deal, man. The car is completely done. I'm about to clean her up and see if I like the finale, but so far that's what it looked like, man. I don't know, y'all give me the comment below, man. I'm gonna see what everybody else think about it. Adolfo, what do you think about it? Hold on. Adolfo, what do you think about it? What do you think about it? What do you think about it, real? You like it? What do you think about it, brother?
To hear what I have to say.
That's what she look like. Now she done.
That mom look good.
Well, we're about to find out. Like, I'm gonna go get it washed up and see what I like on it, y'all. For you guys, man, we were at home relaxing. The fox was in his clothes, and they came to call us out at the house. Isaac wasn't gonna let himself get talk at that. Isaac, why you smiling? You know what I'm saying? You weren't. This is something that we're talking for a while, right? So now we're gonna really get to see what's going on. So we got a charger that actually came to the crib to try the Audio Fox while he was in his foxhole. And Audio Fox was entertained today, so he didn't really want to come out. But when it came to a race, he says, I'm out. I'm inside the car. I'm gonna go. You think you're gonna put his ass? You think you're gonna beat his ass, brother? He says, yeah, so we're about to find out what's going on, man. We're gonna come over here and drive. He's the guy's up there. He's up there driving already, getting himself situated to get this pool done. And we'll see exactly what's gonna happen as we're getting ready. So we're going around little areas to get to Mexico to be and get a nice little area where it could be nice and safe where we could do some pools. So we'll check this out in a minute. I'll keep y'all posted. So the Audio Fox is right now getting himself situated, mentally ready for this run that they're about to have and see what's going on. So he just got his car warmed up and did some stepping on it and see what's going on. Right here in the front, so we're driving down to Mexico, y'all can see, to be able to get up to a street that can be nice and safe. We can do some pools and see what happens here, man. But you know, I support the cruise crew. We do what we do. Not that we win every race, because they guarantee the time that we lose, but we just like to have fun, man, enjoy ourselves. But you know, the kind of what we're gonna do here. We got my son Chris back there. We got my nephew back there. I'm recording here at nighttime, so I'm using the best lighting that I can to bring this to y'all, man. But you know, this is kind of what it's about. It's just having fun, enjoying each other's time, and having some fun with the cars. So we buy the cars. That's to make the cars give us some fun and enjoy these moments. So let's see what happens. Yo, so we're approaching our drag strip here in Mexico. I guess they'll do a couple of the pools off the light, and then they'll do some pools off a roll and see what the difference is gonna be. But we're about to see what happens here, man. And you know, I'm here to be protective and make sure everything's in a safe environment in Mexico. You know, the cartels be stealing people's cars and stuff, so we're making sure that doesn't happen here. But we are going to be pulling over now to have this first big race and see what happens in this class of cars that we have. So there he is approaching right there. We're about to make a stop right here and get this going. I'm gonna stop. Let's stop right here. Stop right here. Come over here. Come forward more, past the bump, past the concrete. Past the concrete. And then y'all could do this first dig. Past these marks, it's not good for you. All right, stop. All right, so we got the boy over there, boy, in his Charger, going against the Audio Fox. We're gonna count this out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's enough. So, see on that race, there was no hope whatsoever for the Charger.
Stop right here.
Whatsoever. We're probably gonna give another one. So that was definitely a victory one for the Audio Fox on that one. We're gonna go do it again and see what's going on and see if they get a better pull. Maybe the Charger didn't hook right. We don't know. We didn't ask for details. But we're about to go do another run and give you guys a post. Alrighty, so you guys ready to go again?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's a beating. Now, yeah. So now we're gonna see what happens against that. Tell him, take off a car ahead of me. All right, but now you go a car ahead. Cause you're probably not hooking. Are you hooking good?
Maybe you gotta put it in standard.
No, leave it automatic. Let the car do its job. Go forward a little bit more. All right, we're gonna go from here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So that race is definitely over also. I think we've had enough. I don't think he wants anymore. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. That was even with a car ahead. But we definitely know that the Mustang's faster than that Charger all day long. We'll continue to view. So for those of you that don't get to see Isaac smile too much, that's kind of what his smile looks like. Go ahead, give him the victory smile.
You see that when I beat your Hellcat?
Boy, he always talking about he can beat my Hellcat, guys. I'm gonna tell you one thing, man. This is the thing I'm gonna tell y'all. When he got his car, guys, we gave him brakes so he can feel confident, love his car. Let him stay close to the kitty cat, the Audio Cat. He really think that he could beat my Audio Cat. Man, I'm gonna do to him what he just did to this Charger, but I'm gonna let him go 2 cars ahead of me, and then I'm gonna fly right by him. I'm gonna put it on video so he can stop talking that smack that he ought to be talking, and then he beat the Audio Cat. Bro, you didn't beat the Audio Cat, nor can you ever beat the Audio Cat right now, period. Because what we got going on? You wanna do a roll? All right, so how you want to roll it? You count it.
40.
Okay. You count it. You count. Count.
1, 2, 3.
What you gotta say?
I'm doing what I was already going to do to him.
Yeah, but let's see what happens, man. Anyway, guys, can you smile for the camera? Show him a victory smile.
No, matter of fact, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. I'll let him race with the light. Maybe he has the good reactions on it.
No, bro, I have nothing to do with that. This is over, guys. I'm not gonna say no more. We'll get 1, 2, 3.
Let's do it off the light, because I don't want to roll forward.
The light's already green, bro.
Okay.
Wait,